Hi Jen, can you help me with the entries I need to make for irrecoverable debts and which side they go on?
If a sales invoice has not been paid by a debtor and it's possible that it will never be paid, then this can be considered as an irrecoverable debt, or sometimes known as a bad debt. It can only be considered an irrecoverable debt if all other means of recovering the amount have been exhausted. The business therefore needs to write off the bad debt. This will already have been recorded in the accounts, so now we need to remove it. Let's look at an example. Our customer has gone into liquidation, owing £120 including VAT, and your manager has asked you to write off the bad debt. So we will include the net amount of the bad debt on the debit side of the irrecoverable debt account. This is because it's classed as an expense to the business, because the customer has received the goods but we haven't received the payment. The VAT element of the bad debt will also go on the debit side, but of the VAT control account. This reduces the amount of VAT liability owed to HMRC. We now have a total amount of £120 on the debit side of the ledger, so the corresponding entry will be to enter the gross amount on the credit side of the ledger. Therefore, we will credit the sales ledger control account, and this reduces the amount of money owed to us by our customers. So now we have an equal amount on both sides of the ledger. I hope that answers your question, and I wish you the very best of luck with the rest of your studies.